Today I'm going to be trying to put together this cabinet. It recommends 2 people, but Chris isn't here, so I'm going to get started on it. And the hope is to put it on the wall here besides Venus there, and hopefully we can find a stud on that side, and it'll be for holding bird supplies. This got to be the coolest packaging for tools that I've seen. Okay, so putting this together, I've discovered that following the instructions exactly is not the right thing to do. They don't tell you about these little ridges here. This is panel C, panel B. So I'm actually looking at this from the back, and I put the sides on first. And I thought that this was the front, that the doors would close into these spaces, but they don't. This is for the cardboard that you're going to put on at the very end. That will go like that. Another thing the instructions don't tell you is that this piece, they just tell you to hook it to the B and C side plates. Which way is up and which way is down and which way is front and back. They don't tell you. They just tell you to put the pegs in the thing and then put them there, but it matters. These big holes need to go up because this is where the top is going to go, the roof. And this has a ridge here. See, I thought this would be on the inside. Nope, this goes on the back facing out because this is also going to be part where that cardboard piece is going to meet up right there. So yeah, it matters. So for the J piece, the holes go up and this faces outside, not inside. So that's the back. Because these little screw holes here are going to be the hinges for the glass doors. And I've got the pegs on top for the top panel, the roof panel. And then this will be on the front because that's going to catch the doors when they close. And here is the cabinet so far. This is the front. And this is the back. For this back panel, it's so nice they've provided these little screws instead of nails. So for this whole project, you don't have to use a hammer, I don't think. For the top piece, I just slapped it with my hand a few times. And I could be using a drill, but I don't want to over tighten these and break anything, so I'm doing everything by hand with a screwdriver. Well, here's the back all finished up. It came with this little ridge part, although you can still see light coming in at the top. It doesn't quite fit all the way, but it's nice. And the cabinet is done, and I love it. It's beautiful. Maybe I'll change out those handles later on, but for now, it's awesome. The only thing left is to hang it on the wall, which I'm a little worried about because we gotta find the stud. And being that it's on the edge of the wall, it'll probably only have one stud. I hope there won't be any problems with that. It's not gonna have too much heavy stuff, and it is gonna have bird food in here and bird dishes and toys. This is the storage for the bird stuff. So Nautica and Minions stuff. Guys like the new shelf? Budgie, he said Budgie, he approves. And here it is all finished and on the wall. Chris did a great job, he helped me out putting it up. It looks really nice on my little, next to my art table. I'll set it up. And this will be for all of the bird supplies. And it's nice because the curtain actually fits back there. You can see how it galaxy curtain fits nice with no problem. I'll mention something about these doors. I actually unscrewed these and loosened these little hinges and took the glass out because this came packed with styrofoam and it was so dusty and dirty, and it went between all these little metallic frame, and the only way that I was able to clean it was to take it apart. So that was an extra step, but it's something I wanted to do. And it also comes with these little weight stickers that you can cover up these round metallic bolts and stuff. I don't mind them, so I think it's more fiddly to put the stickers on, so I'm leaving them off. So here it is as a functional shelf. These are their treats. These are plastic bowls, and these are ceramic bowls. And then toys up here at the top. And Nautica's little training stand, minion stand. And that's how it looks, all closed up. Sweet, I love it.